Hi, welcome to my channel ShopZone. Are you looking for best products on Amazon? Here will best products review on Amazon. HyperChiller HC2CB patented iced coffee / beverage cooler, new, improved, stronger and more durable. Ready in 1 minute, reusable for iced tea, wine, spirits, alcohol, juice, 12.5 ounces, charcoal black. Cooler plus Cooler EBC 1023 brand HyperChiller color charcoal black product dimensions 4.25D x 4.25W x 6.75H special feature manual filter type reusable capacity 12 ounces material BPA free polypropylene plastic and food grade stainless steel BPA free polypropylene plastic and food grade stainless steel. See more wattage 1000 watts human interface input buttons about this item. New, improved, stronger and more durable. We listen to our dedicated chillers, so HyperChiller is constantly improving. We've also added new colors for you to choose from. Improved V2 product, the easiest, most cost-effective way to chill your favorite beverages. Our patented design uses regular water to chill, and because there are no chemicals or gels, all parts of the HyperChiller are dishwasher safe. Having to hit the floor running this morning and don't have time to prepare your iced coffee, the HyperChiller will chill your coffee in less than 60 seconds. Take the edge off a hectic morning by enjoying an iced coffee on the go. It works with all types of coffee makers, whether you use a single brew or a K-cup by brewing directly into your HyperChiller. Drip style model, no problem, simply pour the coffee from the carafe and you are iced in 60 seconds. Your HyperChiller is perfect for chilling all of your favorite beverages, whether it's a special blend of tea, juice, wine, or other adult beverages without dilution. You can even chill a glass of wine. The best happy hour accessory you can buy. This is the easiest and most convenient item to make iced coffee without dilution. Simply fill with water and place upright in the freezer, remove and place in your coffee maker and brew or pour from a carafe into the HyperChiller and then into your cup. Customer ratings by feature: flavor 4.5, 4.5 easy to clean 4.3, 4.3 easy to use 4.2, 4.2 durability 4.0, 4.0. See all reviews. Report an issue with this product or seller note. Products with electrical plugs are designed for use in the US. Outlets and voltage differ internationally, and this product may require an adapter or converter for use in your destination. Please check compatibility before purchasing.